In terms of camera hardware, the Asus Zenfone 5G carries dual camera setup on the rear side, where the primary one is a 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture 24mm lens with 1.4 micron pixel. The secondary one you get a 8 megapixel wide angle lens with f2.0 aperture 12mm 1.12 micron pixel. And also you get 4-axis optical image stabilization and gyro on the rear side camera for video recording. Now in the front facing camera you get a 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture 24mm lens with 1.12 micron pixel with gyro and also this one is a wide angle lens. Now with a good setup of camera hardware, the camera UI comes on the Asus Zenfone 5G also pretty loaded with a lot of features. Now the best part is that this device supports 16 AI scene detection mode, which allow the device to read the subject, give it the blurred background, improve the color and also improve the dynamic range, and also it turn on the HDR when it needed to take a photo. So there you get some AI implementation on the camera, which is really nice and looks the same like the Honor 10. Now with all of this, as you know that this device support a wide angle lens which is 8 megapixel, and also you can shoot really good photos in 120-degree wide angle view, and also you can turn on the HDR mode and there is a depth effect. So guys, this device support depth effect, and as you can see you can also get the blur effect on. So the 8 megapixel camera present as the wide angle lens, it also allows the device to capture a depth effect photo with blur background. Now also with this device you get the pro mode, and there you get the white balance, AV settings, everything. So switching between the wide angle lens while using the pro mode is really easy. You only have to tap the triangle icon and it will shift to the wide angle lens, which is a 8 megapixel sensor, and also there you find the pro mode. So guys, with the Asus Zenfone 5G you find a really good optimized camera UI to get the best shot. Now also there you get a ton of features like the super resolution, like the slow motion. Now the best part is that like OnePlus 6, this device also support 1080p at 240 fps slow motion video recording. However, the OnePlus 6 have an edge having the 480 fps video recording. So there you get the slow motion, and also the best part is that this device supports the super resolution mode, which take 4 photos and stitch all of them and give you a 49 megapixel camera sample. So as you can see guys, you get a camera output of 49 megapixel, and also the wide angle also support the super resolution where you get a 21 megapixel output. Now also with all of this you get the beautification mode, which allow you to change the skin color and also change the eyeball size and shape of your face. So these are some additional facial beautification present on the Asus Zenfone 5G, and also works with the wide angle lens. Now there you also find an GIF animation where it take 40 photos and capture them together to make a short video effect. So as you can see, it take a short video like effect that you get like the picture motion mode on the Honor devices. So that's how you get on this thing. Now also with all of this, the best part is that with this device the OnePlus is only up to 720p when recording a time lapse, but the Asus Zenfone 5G is capable of shooting at 4K 30 fps when take a time lapse video. So this is really incredible, and also you can switch between the wide angle lens, which is also get you the 18:9 ratio Full HD plus time lapse video. So guys, the time lapse resolution on the Asus Zenfone 5G is better than the OnePlus 6. So there you get all the features. Now going to the video recording, you can also add the Asus watermark here. Now the best part is that with the Asus Zenfone 5G you also get 4K 60 fps video recording. However, the 60 fps don't support the optical image stabilization or the electronic image stabilization. It is only up to 30 fps at 4K. So you get the optical image stabilization, and also with the wide angle lens you can shoot a video at Full HD plus resolution 18:9 ratio or only Full HD plus with 16:9 ratio. Now talking the front facing camera, you get a wide angle, the same lens present on the back side, the 8 megapixel sensor. You also get the same lens on the front facing camera. However, in the front facing camera you also get the portrait mode, which is a software based portrait mode, but the portrait mode really works great on the front facing camera, and you get the same beautification mode present on the front facing camera. Here you can change the shape of your face, change the colors. So these are really good feature present on the Asus Zenfone 5C. Now also with all of these, you can set the GIF animation also present on the front facing camera. You can take a short video. So the camera UI on the Asus Zenfone 5C comes with a lot of feature, and I'll be comparing the OnePlus 6 with the Asus Zenfone 5C later in a video, so wait for that video. Now also the front facing camera take a video up to 18:9 ratio at Full HD plus resolution or Full HD plus resolution at 16:9. And also the best part is that the front facing camera also support electronic image stabilization. So that's how all the things present on the Asus Zenfone 5C, and based on specification the cameras look promising on the Asus Zenfone 5C. So now let's take a look at the camera sample and then we move into some video sample. So as you can see here, not only from the primary lens, also from the wide angle lens you can capture really good images on the Asus Zenfone 5C. And I'm pretty excited to compare it with the OnePlus 6 camera. So not only in outdoor lighting conditions you can capture really good images in indoor lighting condition with the wide angle lens with less noise. Now turning on the HDR mode, it improve the dynamic range, improve the colors and lights up the shadows. So as you can see, there is a drastic change here. Now also the portrait mode, you get really good images depth effect. So not only in outdoor lighting conditions, also in indoor lighting conditions the depth effect works properly. Now using the super resolution mode, you can take a photo with 49 megapixel, and also with the wide angle lens you can capture 18:9 ratio at 21 megapixel. Also the front facing camera gives you better results, and the blur effect on the front facing camera is also really good. Also the front facing camera gives you 18:9 ratio photos. So guys, this video sample recorded at 1080p on the Asus Zenfone 5C, and also this device having 4-axis optical image stabilization and gyro ES. So let me know in the comment section what you find about the video sample of the Asus Zenfone 5C, and is it more stable than the OnePlus 6? So let me know in the comment section. As you can see, it looks pretty good, but I think the scene looks overexposed on the Asus Zenfone 5C. And I don't use any gimbal to shoot all of these videos, so let me know about the stabilization. Now on the Asus Zenfone 5C you'll get a 8 megapixel 120 degree wide angle lens. Now also using this you can shoot a wide angle video at Full HD, and also you can shoot a video at Full HD plus resolution at 18:9 ratio. So let me know, is there any stabilization you find in this video with the wide angle lens on the Asus Zenfone 5C? So also both of the OnePlus 6 and the Asus Zenfone 5C are able to shoot video at 4K 60 fps. However, both of the devices support OIS and EIS, but only at 30 fps. So guys, this video sample recorded at 1080p on the front facing camera of the Asus Zenfone 5C, and also this device support electronic image stabilization on the front facing camera. However, the front lens also the same one you get on the back side, you get the wide angle lens. So on the front of the Asus Zenfone 5C you will get a 8 megapixel 120 degree wide angle lens, and also the best part is that even on the front facing camera you can shoot a video at Full HD plus resolution with 18:9 ratio. So guys, this video sample recorded at 1080p from the front facing camera of the Asus Zenfone 5C in indoor lighting conditions. So let me know what do you think about the front facing camera present on this device. So guys, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then definitely place a like below and subscribe to our channel, as there is a massive comparison between the Asus Zenfone 5C and the OnePlus 6 coming out soon. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.